In this video, we are going to see how we can use a format painter so that we can follow a format that is for a specific sentence or a word and simply paint this to any specific section. So let's say for this particular sentence, we have made it bold, italic, underline, text is in blue, background is in yellow. So we have done all of this for this specific sentence, and maybe we have increased the size for this as well. Instead of adjusting all of these things for other sentence like this one, let's say that we want to paint this format. Just select the complete portion and go to the paint format option. Click on it once. It will copy the format, and as you can see, there is a paint sign next to it. After that, just select the area that you want to paint with the same format. Leave your mouse and it will be painted right away. So it can save you a lot of time. You don't have to do that formatting all over again, especially if it involves a couple of steps and couple of tools as we have seen in the example. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. What you can also do is, let's say that we want to paint it multiple times without being selected every single time. So in that case, just double click once on the format painter and you will see that until you press escape, you should be able to paint it without being selected again and again. So this is especially helpful if you want to paint multiple areas instead of single one. Press escape or uncheck this and you then get rid of this. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.